The potential impact of AI on time savings and the hesitation to acknowledge its full potential is due to job displacement fears. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. It was estimated that as of July 2024, AI is helping professionals save 5 hours per week, with projections of saving 12 hours per week by 2029. However, these figures seem modest compared to the actual potential of AI, particularly generative AI, that is Gen AI, to significantly enhance productivity across various fields. AI tools are streamlining coding, debugging, and project management, drastically cutting down the time required for software development. AI is optimizing lead generation, customer relationship management, and market analysis, resulting in substantial time savings. AI assists in analyzing medical images, diagnosing conditions, suggesting treatments, enhancing efficiency and accuracy. AI driven analytics and automation tools are transforming campaign management, customer targeting, and performance tracking, leading to significant time savings. Highlighting the full potential of AI in terms of time savings and productivity gains could lead to concerns about job cuts. Companies and analysts may choose to be conservative in their estimates to avoid causing panic among workers. By presenting modest figures, organizations can help ensure a smoother transition to AI integration, allowing time for workforce adaptation and upskilling. As the understanding of how to effectively use Gen AI and other AI tools, more professionals across all domains will experience significant efficiency gains. Realistically, once AI tools are fully integrated into daily workflows, the time savings could far exceed current estimates, potentially transforming work paradigms across industries. The actual potential for time savings, as demonstrated by Gen AI tools, is significantly higher. As professionals become more adept at using these tools, the efficiency gains will continue to grow, reshaping productivity and work processes across various industries. Let's look into today's headlines. A data breach at Advance Auto Parts affects 2.3 million individuals. Over 2.3 million customers have received alerts from Advance Auto Parts about a data breach after their personal information was compromised in recent Snowflake data theft attempts. A threat actor known as SP1D3R allegedly started selling a 3 TB database on June 5th of 2024 that included 380 million advanced customer records, orders, transaction details, and other private data. Through a Form 8K statement on June 19th, the company acknowledged the breach. Nevertheless, it stated that only current and former workers and job candidates are affected. Western Digital's quick and powerful 8 TB desktop SSD now available in India. The new 8 TB SanDisk Desk Drive, the largest capacity external desktop solid state drive, that is SSD, from Western Digital, is currently available in India. This new 8 TB SanDisk Desk Drive, which has the speed and dependability of an SSD, provides business professionals and content creators an easy way to swiftly backup and retrieve their high-resolution files, movies, and images in one handy location. Donald Trump escapes a failed assassination attempt during a Pennsylvania campaign event. After a young gunman opened fire on the former US president during a campaign rally in Pennsylvania, Donald Trump narrowly avoided death by wounding his right ear. This incident had the potential to significantly alter the already unstable political landscape in the lead up to the highly anticipated presidential election. The attacker, who tried to kill the former president, was identified by the FBI as Thomas Matthew Crooks, a 20 years old man, is the resident of Bethel Park, Pennsylvania. The Home Ministry's Cybercrime Unit warns the public about increasing instances of fraudulent government e-notices. The Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center, that is I4C, issued a public advertisement urging people to exercise caution if any questionable emails they receive from government organizations. It said that everyone should always check the internet to confirm the authenticity of the official indicated in the e-notices and give the department a call. Ericsson inks global patent cross-license agreement with Oppo. A multi-year global patent cross-license agreement has been inked by Ericsson and Oppo. This agreement includes a cross-license covering patents essential to standards for cellular technologies including 5G. Oppo will make royalty payments to Ericsson. In addition to this, Oppo and Ericsson will conduct business cooperation on a number of projects related to 5G, including device testing, customer engagements, and marketing activities. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.